Yeah, you might be a reseller if rain on Saturday is just a little inconvenient thing to get in the way, but you're still gonna find stuff. Oh man, rainy Saturday, but I found some spots we can still hit up. How's it going? Thankful y'all are still doing something. Also? Okay, awesome.
I'm gonna use it to make a fire pit.
Oh, that's nice.
Get the walk,
Yeah,
the open
that's a
it,
good idea. That's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah. Really good idea. Then we can go home.
Hey, I gotta go back to Gloucester Tuesday.
Where is Gloucester too?
Yeah, well, I work at Tuesday, so we work at Caroline.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hour up there, side.
Coffee. The coffee smells good already.
And I have big item furniture in the other room,
Okay.
and a curio cabinet full of angels.
Oh, nice.
Granny was an angel collector.
Yeah, and I like the strawberry stuff too. That's pretty.
That was my mother more than my grandmother.
Really?
But my grandmother loved red. So strawberries and red kind of went together, you know.
Yeah.
She was a fan of cardinals.
I see that now.
Cardinals over there. Yeah, a lot of little things that somebody could say something and I could go give you a history on.
Gotcha. Old.
Those are old, yes.
I know. I love them. They are pretty cool.
They are. If you're looking at the hamper, it's not hurt either.
No, it looks sculpture. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So.
I'll think on that one.
Oh, good Lord. It was a 103-year-old lady that left it.
Yeah, they don't have any of that for you, sir.
I don't think she owned a t-shirt.
My buddy walked in. I saw him coming across.
What, a t-shirt? Not.
Oh, yeah, he likes just old style clothing and stuff.
Are you kidding? I found hats that my grandmother had.
Oh yeah?
Hats.
I love hats.
I know, the old with the bird cages and.
Oh yeah, those are cool. What's up, buddy?
Women's hats. I found
Oh, okay.
a bunch of those and yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm here.
You should get those because...
You take back with the bug zapper too?
Yeah.
Thanks, now I'm broke.
All right.
I already paid for that already. Yeah,
Right,
that's-
correct.
all right.
Right.
a good sized one.
Yeah. Oh, I goes, where'd you buy that one? You just brought one.
You got it?
That's pretty good. You have a great one, man.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Never a fun day going through everything, right?
Hey, yeah. And the thing about it is, my wife's grandmother has been here since 1942.
Mm.
And we moved her to Gloucester because she's 103.
Mm-hmm.
And so trying to clean up and do different things here, we just haven't had chance to take care of things like we wanted to.
Oh, understandable.
There's so much to do. So little time to do it in.
All the time. I feel like I have a new project that has to wait behind the other project every week. What are you thinking on the old tackle box?
We give $1.
Yeah, that'll work. And what about the lantern? Cause I got some other stuff I'll ask them to get here too, but yeah.
2.
Okay, that'll work. That will definitely work. So, looks to be in pretty good shape, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so what,
I told him 2 and 1.
okay. And these were 25, so, we didn't have that mark back there.
Alright, so you decide.
So, would you give 3 for this?
Okay,
Okay, so, 3, 6, how about, we make it even 7?
that'll work.
Alright, thank you.
That will work.
Make a deal on everything if you want to take it all.
If I had the space for it.
Wouldn't it be an investor's dream to come and just take it all?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
How y'all doing?
You said 20?
Yep.
She said 20.
20? Okay, I'll think about it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything in the house? Or
Yeah, everything. If it doesn't have a price, you can find one of us.
bring it up to you, yeah?
Yeah. And we'll discuss.
That'll work. I see somebody running with a handful.
Yeah, nothing really. Just come to find out.
No, you're good.
Shirt on the other one, but it's like a woman's shirt that kind of goes down the back.
Them shoes any good?
Oh, these might be okay.
Yeah,
Nike Jones.
those will do good. Nice. Oh snap. I can't get this in the car. Dang. Dang. Oh. Quaker Chemical. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, slide it that way. Yeah.
How's it going? Dun-dun.
You're gonna be the same way on Monday. You're gonna be. You will. I know. You will, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you're the same way you're going. I really.
That's cool.
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm not sure about the size of it.
How's it going? Seeing what you got left.
Not too many people have come over yet.
Right.
I got a lot of people asking me, how do I get there?
What do I do? Yeah.
You know, we're in the woods in here, so
Yeah, no.
anything specific
No,
to hunt for?
not really. I love old toys, collectibles, you know, figures. Oh, was it?
He's looking for. I got toys. Look up there. I got two from the Yu-Gi-Oh collection.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Blue Eyes and
Yeah.
I got the name of this one.
Those are pretty cool.
And then I have Bear's Dragon.
What are you asking on everything? Or what are you?
You start and we'll.
I might just start putting stuff in my bag. That's what I get it for. I'm
Yeah.
like,
So you know you're a collector.
yeah.
Collector, right?
They're like, yeah, or I got buddies that are.
So you know how much those go.
No, I really don't. No. I really don't. I'm more like, and then my little guy, like he's, like this got me initially, the hats.
Oh,
These things are just too cool. I was like, yeah. Lid is cool. These guys are cool. There's red. Yeah, like we just get into too much of the nostalgia stuff, man.
and you, I think on this side.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so y'all moving?
Yeah,
Where you heading to?
Texas.
Oh,
Galveston.
nice, nice, nice. Galveston.
Yep.
My buddy, yeah, he lived up here, moved down there, got on some of the fishing rigs, and he said then it was time for him to settle down and get married. And
Which one? The black and white box over there?
Uh-huh.
The black and white box go with this one over here. With a patty cake.
Oh, I got it.
It's a cookie jar.
I was like, did these go with anything, or you just had them separate?
Those one separate.
Okay. Yeah, because I was like, these were pretty cool.
Here's another.
Yeah, the Mario hat.
Think about done about as much damage as I can do. If they give you a fist bump, good luck when you move.
Thank you for stopping by.
Oh, you will. Thanks for
I started to come early, but I thought y'all weren't having problems.
Oh, I ain't shutting down. The rain ain't gonna stop me.
I was up at 6, so I stopped to come over here. That's pretty, how much is that? That's pretty,
I got this one for $275.
okay.
You know, if you taking it to there, I'll give it to you for $250 just so you can take it.
Right.
This one expands over here too, so you expand it, it'll come out, and then you can just hide it over here, so
Right.
you don't have to take it.
Yeah, I've got to mention my daughter, I'm a follower when I get over.
So I got this one, and I got that one over there too, that smaller table.
You moving?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, really? Have you sold the house?
I'm not selling, I'm renting here.
Oh,
Yeah, this is a
oh.
rental.
That's good. Thanks for being here. I've been here 50 years.
Oh, have you?
That shop is free.
Yeah, that's my landlord.
Which one's your landlord?
Mike.
Mike is your landlord?
Yeah, he used to live,
Yeah, he lives right there at Bowling Ball over there. Yeah, I've known him that big.
So those, the sheep checks, we sell the sheep checks for $5 each.
5?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. I'm just making me a pile, man.
Yeah, after we'll so toys.
Yeah, I know you were saying something over here, yeah.
So first I wanna direct your attention to
Okay.
what you barely gonna find anymore. You know, original connects with all the
Connects are cool.
of the paperwork. Still, yeah, it's not the best condition of the papers, but
Those are cool.
connects, of course.
Those are cool. Those are cool.
Then I have there's a lot of Legos. They're not separated because they belong to each other. They're just in there, and then there's some more.
Gotcha. Saw the Minecraft.
Minecraft.
My
More
son,
Minecraft.
my son,
Other stuff.
he's big into the Minecraft now. So I'll probably definitely snag this one.
Then I have.
No, we were living there.
Well, you should do both of them because there's Minecraft in here.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay.
Then I have this ones were
I saw like
I think
Star
they're like
Wars.
Bionicle
The same day they are.
Bionicle parts and stuff like that.
oh yeah, the Bionicles are pretty cool. I'll try that one. He's just 5 going on 6, and
Yeah,
so
and
he's
that's what I did with my kids.
yeah.
So
like he's
a lot of building and putting stuff together.
and then what he doesn't do, like I try to find people if they want it and stuff.
So I had a whole bunch more, and this lady came over and she just
That's pretty
she was like,
We
I'll
have-
take them.
We have.
Mama say hi here.
What's that?
Hey, Mama say hi.
We'll do. What's up, brother?
I done said what's in the grocery store.
Come on, Star. Man.
I broke my foot. He didn't tell you?
No.
How you doing?
me about
Oh, 5 weeks ago.
the
Well, yeah,
so
that's getting better.
the
Sorry.
thing
I had to
to
do
put
something
her on
else.
lockdown.
I know.
I know. Put the wrap in the bubble wrap when I go. Sorry.
Mom would love for
Oh,
Roadkill
Lord,
Brothers.
she would.
All right, so tell me what my damage is.
Yeah, we did too. Well, when we first
Yeah, this
moved
guy
in,
knows how to yard sale. Make your little pile and make your deal right.
I'm like
He did.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
have fun at him.
yeah.
Yeah, mom said Bobby Joe reached out to her like just a
I got the one Pokemon one, all the Angry Birds.
because she's married.
So
Yeah, I just don't even know anything
I
about
don't
them.
know if you looked them up, but right now you can actually find this too. About 90% of the ones that are online are actually missing the shooter.
The missiles and
Yeah,
stuff.
which
Yeah.
this one is missing the missile as well.
Yeah.
I think
But you can buy them. You can buy them online for about $28.
That's not bad.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah.
This one goes. This one is a little bit less. I think this one was like $23 online.
Okay.
This one, most of the ones that they have online are actually on box. So it's hard to price, but the box one, brand new, is
Oh,
like
yeah.
$78.
Oh yeah.
So
I just remember Bobby Joe.
well, she's
if
always
you,
Robert.
we'll
They're
do
too young.
Yeah.
25 for all 3 of them,
And then
Okay.
she has another
if that's okay
daughter,
with you.
Yeah, that's what I said. We'll just see what the kind of total's looking like, and
a long time been
you tell me what you're thinking.
Okay.
I think I pulled on her. But Bobby was so amazing. He's still amazing. I tell you. He's got
We'll
his
do,
when I went by,
35
he
for
had
this
his yard
bag.
all in,
Okay.
everything going.
Sounds good.
That guy, man, even with this
we have-
he was a worker
You got this set.
Yeah, so this one's, we got 3
I
sets
remember,
at
I
5
remember one day
each.
he was on his
So
rock and
15
roll,
more. So we'll just say this is 50 now.
Yep.
and he
Okay.
left it in gear
So
and
50 there.
was trying to get
I got
off
2 backpacks.
races and dragging him all the
50.
way over into this
We'll do
dragging
each one of
him
them
across the
$5
road
Okay.
a piece.
Okay.
into
So it's
this
60.
ditch before it
60.
finally hit the third
This is
ditch
gonna
and
be the
lost.
hardest one to price
And we got over there
because you know how hot they are.
but that
So-
guy was cutting wood and
He sat on top of that roof at his house and painted it, and it was hot. And he don't have any feelings, you know, in here. It burned his tail, his legs
You've been
off.
buying.
and he didn't know.
How much you normally buy?
It's an insult.
I mean, I get around to a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Toys are harder to
Since
come
he
by,
moved in
you know.
Mary's house, he's one of I think God sent him to me for a blessing.
That's what I said. These, you know, go to my son and stuff, and some stuff I'll mess with.
Great and all
Yeah,
all
when
his
he
shrubs
gutted
up and- yeah.
Yeah, after they painted it and dyed it all.
What do we
red,
have?
they got it
60,
together.
right?
60.
Marble floors.
Yeah, and they had those race
Can you do
trucks
30
back
for all
there.
3 of those?
They had
Um,
those revving. I was calling the
I
cops
think
to
it was,
all
you
of
know,
them.
it was just, he had sons, all his sons.
I mean, I was thinking more, just 75 for everything.
Yeah, I saw a son over
They'd be doing that
there
for
over there.
15.
Oh, that,
you know.
Sawdust, I believe. 'Cause I got 2 little chickens, and you know they're like sawdust, and the man said he died 3 days ago.
That's it.
Make it 80.
I didn't even know he
80
died.
bucks?
Yeah,
We can do that.
Yeah, he had
We can do that.
Sons was,
Thanks for everything.
I got guns. I shoot guns.
Should
but
be 80 altogether
3
there.
o'clock in the morning
Well, no, I don't
right in the
understand. I don't-
residential backyard. That
I don't
ain't-
understand that either.
All right.
I don't understand. Well, this man over here.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, have a safe
The
move.
police told him there's nothing.
You know, thank you for your service and everything, man. Okay, so back here at the house, I just got done showing this to Mrs. Flips. Gonna cover it with you. a pretty good haul. That last one did pretty good, but the other ones did pretty good as well. So what you are going to go see here, I'm going to just we'll start on this side, this Coleman lantern. We've had great success selling those in the past. I'm going to give you the breakdown of what I can remember, but I only paid $94 for all of this. That thing is awesome. 1960. I already looked up the date on the bottom. It was a March 1960. We got this. It's called, I thought it was Strawberry Shortcake, but it is Flower Girl. Probably 20 bucks it'll go for. Wasn't a bad pickup. Mario Odyssey hat. I think Five Flips has already claimed that one. He's claimed a few of these. Waluigi. And he's also claimed Litten. Litten is one of his favorite Pokemon. But we have the talking Angry Birds here. Let me see if I can get them. There we go. All of them. So those will all work, as you can tell. Might lot them all together for about 50 bucks. That was a long one. Good job, buddy. I got this Pure One strawberry mug. Just thought it looked cool. Also, this is something they glued on here. It's like paper. It's not broken, but a strawberry cookie jar. Don't know what it's going for. Only paid like $3, $4. Got this old vintage Tupperware with lid. Those are about 50 cents. They'll do pretty good. This thing, I can't find hardly any of these out there. Incredible Super Mario backpack. I think I'm going to ask 50 on that. Little Pokemon book bag as well. Eevee and the Eeveelution. All of the cool Eevees there. Maybe 20 bucks. This guy is Dragon Lair 3D. I think 20, 25 is what we saw.
Nice.
This guy, not much, probably $18. Now, so I edited this audio out, so yeah, it's not going to match up with what I'm saying because we looked this up wrong, thinking it was worth like $200 because somebody had the wrong listing up, but it still will sell. But it only gets better, folks. Got this set of silverware, probably get 30, 35. And then here are some of the loose toys. Well, I'll get into the loose toys because we got more over there. If you saw it in the video, this Pikachu sheet set, maybe 20 bucks. Cool little Mario. We may keep those for 5 flips. And then Nightmare Before Christmas set, probably 20 bucks. Okay. So if you know, you know. All these cool little pieces. But I saw these little helmets here. And I hadn't seen this stuff in the wild. The stuff you don't see in here is... He's already in there playing with them now. All the Minecraft stuff. Here's the extra pieces.
Minecraft?
I was telling them that you're already playing with the Minecraft stuff.
You have some.
Yeah, yes, this is the extra pieces. Do you want to show them the Minecraft stuff you're already playing with? Go get it.
It's still with the rest.
I know. As you can tell, he's got all the Minecraft stuff. But right here.
The gummies are ready?
Bionicles. And it goes deep, folks. So we're going to see what we have in there. That could be another, over $100 find. Right there. Oh, like I said, $94. So same little edit here. Blah, 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 blah. Did all the calculations wrong. But we did. We spent $94. Isn't this funny? It's like I'm a little ventriloquist. But we were still able to clear $400 in sales, so not a bad day at all. So this is a great haul day for a rainy yard sale day. It was raining. I mean, this was only 3, and these because there were 2 estate sales and 1 that was just an in the garage moving sale. It's criteria. It's a good idea just to search and switch up your searches. Don't just say yard sale. Find things that are going to be specific when it's weather permitted. People still, you know, they're moving. They got to get rid of the stuff. So I just kind of changed it up, drove around, found this great stuff. This was a fun one. That last one, like, got me up on that level of like, yeah, this is why we go out and do this. So just wanted to bring you this other great one of just some things that are just cool to go find and flip and sell on eBay. We always have fun doing this. So be sure, give this video a like and subscribe. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being the Flippin' family, and we'll see you again real soon. Go out there and make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. We'll see you again real soon. Till next time. Bye.